Inspired by London's timeless charm and elegant architecture, this project truly brings an international lifestyle at OMR. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jaytal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Cambridge by DAC, which is located at OMR in Shimanjiri, Chennai. So now we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. So here's a huge marketing office where you can check out the miniature, their model flat as well, which is ready just for you. Talking about the land parcel and the main entrance, so the land parcel is located just in 500 meters from this marketing office, which is on my right hand side over here. So basically it is a London themed project. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned with us until the end to know all the details of the project so that you can be clear with each and every detail and you can have a clear idea in your decision making. Now let's discuss about the project overview via 3D model. Spread across 1.7 acre of land parcel, consisting of 3 residential towers, each rising from stilt plus 5 floors. Here you can choose between 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus private terrace, 3 BHK and premium 3 BHK plus private terrace residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on OMR in Shimanjiri, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and as mentioned we are here at the marketing office and the land parcel of the project is located in 500 meters just over this side. So basically this is the OMR road and this road will take you towards Thuraipakkam and the opposite side road will take you towards Paddur. Now we'll be discussing about the further key connectivity of the project. Shimanjiri, the nearest metro station which is located 1.6 kilometers away from our project. Satyabhama University 1.8 kilometers. Marina Mall that is 3.4 kilometers and Sipcot IT Park in just 4.7 kilometers from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 25 plus world-class amenities. You get a swimming pool, kids pool, co-working space, indoor games room, fully equipped gym, kids play area, half basketball court and many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, the project offers you 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus private terrace, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus private terrace premium residencies, where 2 BHK is of 950 square feet. 2 BHK plus private terrace comes up with 1050 square feet, where 3 BHK is 1200 square feet and 3 BHK plus private terrace is 1350 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Cambridge by DAC located at OMR Shimanjiri, Chennai. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.